Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Oh, forgot to turn my light on. Hold on. See if that's better. Oh yeah, there we go. All right. Welcome to Catherine the Paint. How are you guys doing? I have been going to paint this little wooden Happy Easter sign. I was going to use pastels, and I had already picked out my ready mixed Arteza paint to do that with, and weirdly, all of my students today picked pastel colors. So I have a lot of leftover paint, just not Arteza, not pre-mixed. So I've got orange and pink and blue and green and just all kinds of paint in here. So since I have leftover pastel paint, I think I should go for this Easter sign. So what I'm going to do is kind of like a traveling tree ring. So I'm just going to start on the bunny because it's the widest spot, and then just kind of travel all over and try to get the paint on it. So let's just see how it goes. Woo, there we go. I didn't realize how hard this was going to be because of all the holes, but you know, hopefully it'll come out looking kind of Eastery. Thought I had more orange in here. Kind of skipping around because I think other colors are coming up. There we go. Whoop, missed. Gotta be kind of precise. Woo! This is so different than anything I've ever done before. So funny. All right, where'd I miss? I'm gonna put some of this over here too, because I don't want the bunny to just be green and purple. All right, well, I have no idea how this is gonna look, but let's just kind of move it around. Try to get everything covered. Oh. All right, works really good to pick up the color that's close to the part that's not covered. Just kind of drip it on there. Kind of got a half and half thing going on here. I'm going to turn it around. So I can reach this. All right, well, it kind of ended up being a half and half. I don't know, what do you guys think? All right, well, looks like a happy Easter to me. All right, guys, just a second, I'll bring you in for a close-up. That was a quick one. All right, here is the close-up. This is the orange and purple side, and that is the green and purple side. Would not have minded blending that a little bit better, but oh well. I think it's pretty cool looking. All right, I will show you the dried results. Just give me a minute. Happy Easter. So I think this turned out really cute. Let's look at some details. This looks like a little baby bunny. See? I think this Easter bunny's having a bunny. So there's some cool movement and stuff. All the colors swirling around. It's a lot of fun. Actually, my grandson has taken this home, and my daughter's very happy because she wants to put it on the door. So, there you go. All right, guys. I hope you have a happy Easter. I hope you're inspired to do something Easter inspired. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.